you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. For today's video, I have a little Louis Vuitton unboxing for you, so make sure to stay tuned. Summer is around the corner and I'm slowly starting to plan my vacation. Actually, I'm pretty late with my planning this year as I usually book everything earlier in spring, but somehow I do not really know where to go this year. I always used to have the one place I want to go to in my mind, but this year I'm a bit indecisive. I probably want to stay in Europe and I do have some places on the shortlist, but I did not decide where to go yet, so let's see where I will finally end up during the summer months. What is for sure is that we will start with a weekend trip to Paris with some friends this month, for which I can't wait. It's been a few years since I've been in Paris the last time, so I'm looking so much forward to it and I'll definitely try to film as much as possible. So if you're interested in that, make sure to not miss out on any of my upcoming videos, and also check out my Instagram for some more regular updates and day-to-day content. Okay, before I start with the unboxing, let me show you some clips that I captured in the Louis Vuitton store in Vienna. That Louis Vuitton Vienna will move its location end of this year to the other side of Chanel, and then Dior will take over the current Louis Vuitton store. So apparently they both seem to be planning to expand their stores a bit. Not sure yet who will move into the current Dior store yet. I was told that Fendi and Tiffany did a store viewing, but anyways, we will find out end of the year latest. Alright, let's start with the unboxing and open the first box, which is the biggest one. This one here, and this one is something that I've been looking for quite a while actually, as it has been sold out forever in Austria, but it seems that they had a big restock recently because it's still available on the website in case you're interested. Alright, let's remove the ribbon and have a look what's inside. Maybe you can tell by the shape already. It is the Nice BB toiletry case in the classic Monogram canvas. I mean, look at this. How beautiful is this beauty case? Isn't it pure perfection? I really can't wait to display it on my vanity table and to store all my makeup, beauty and skincare products in there. I also already own the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch in the GM size, but I wanted to have something bigger, especially for storing all my makeup products at home and also for longer trips. So for the Paris weekend, I will probably go for the smaller one. I think this will be totally sufficient, but let's see how much I will carry in the end. At least I have two very nice options to choose from now. And yeah, if you're interested in some kind of comparison video, let me know in the comments and then I can show you what fits inside each of these. So let's open this one up. On the inside we have here two double flat pockets on this side and another flat pocket on the other side. And up there we have another zip pocket. This is very spacious. I think it's the biggest version of the toiletry bag, as there's also a mini and a nano version of it. And then when you want to go bigger, you have to go for the Nice vanity, which is actually huge and also comes with a strap to keep my things organized and especially to keep the toiletry bag clean from makeup stains on the inside. I also got this Somorger insert, which is in the color beige. It's not an exact color match, so it is a little bit more beige than the rosy tone that we have here on the lining, but I think it still goes very well. And yeah, as said, the primary purpose is to protect the case from any dirt, from all the powder, from the brushes, etc. You can also remove this middle part here if you want to have some more space and don't need to organize in compartments. I have a couple of Samorga organizers already, and I have to say I'm very happy with them so far. They are always my first choice when it comes to protecting the inside of my bags. This is not a sponsorship or anything, by the way, it's just really my honest opinion, and I stick to these. I have never tried any others, to be honest, but they just work and you always find the perfect case for basically all the common bag styles that are in the market currently. Let's move on to see what is in the next box. So this was a more spontaneous purchase, to be honest. I did not plan on buying that. I just randomly saw it on the Louis Vuitton website, so did not buy that in store. And I really liked it and I thought I would need it because I don't have anything like that so far. So let me show you. It is the Louis Vuitton passport cover, again in the classic monogram canvas. As said, I did not own any nice passport cover before, so when I came across this one, I thought, why not give it a go? I think it has the perfect size, it's not too big, it's just the size of a normal passport, and when you open it up, it comes with 4 card slots here, and then down here it has another little pocket. A very nice travel accessory that will hopefully accompany me on my trips throughout many years. You can of course also personalize the passport cover with your initials and get it hot stamped, but I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of having tagged everything with your initials, so I decided to keep it clean and minimal. And if I ever want to have it personalized, I can still go back to the store and get it done. Yeah, but just to let you know, because I think this is also a very nice gift idea for friends or family members or whoever you would like to surprise with. And last but not least, we have of course one fashion accessory included, because you know your girl also needs some nice travel outfits, right? So let's open up this last box. It is also something that I've been looking for quite a while, but for some reason I never pulled the trigger to get it, probably because I never found such a nice color like this. And it is the iconic reversible belt, again in the classic monogram canvas, and on the other side we have this beautiful caramel-like beige tone, which is called Arizona beige. And here on top we have the classic Louis Vuitton logo buckle in gold hardware. This is the thinner version with a 2 cm width. In the past years I've been moving away from the broader belts with the huge logo buckles towards more dainty, subtle ones, not screaming that much for attention. To be honest, I'm not sure if I will actually make use of the reversible functionality, because I'm always scared of getting wrinkles into the material if you bend it in the other direction than the one it is used to, so to say. Similar to leather watch straps, but as this is canvas, it might still work. I mean, it should actually work because the product was designed for that. So let's see, maybe I'll give it a go. It would actually be a pity to not wear it on this beautiful brown side here as well. Anyways, I think this is a really nice detail to add to all my basic everyday looks, and I can't wait to wear and style it, and this one will definitely go to Paris with me. I probably just need to get some more holes in here, because right now it has a perfect length to wear it on my hips, but I don't have enough holes here to also make it work on my waist. I think this is always a struggle to find the perfect belt length, because either it is too short that you can also wear it a little bit lower on the hips, or if you get it in a longer version as I did this time, you don't have enough holes to also make it work on the waist, but not a problem. I will just get some more holes pinched in here, and then I should have endless options to wear and style this beautiful piece. This is it for today. I obviously went all crazy on the Louis Vuitton monogram pieces, which actually surprised me myself as well, because I did not used to like Louis Vuitton that much in the past. I do not own any Louis Vuitton bag, for example, but let's see, maybe I will also change this in the future. Personal style changes and evolves over time. I have to say I'm still not a fan of going all logo everywhere, so when I wear some Louis Vuitton monogram pieces, I will probably style them separately and not wear all of them together, obviously, because I don't want to be a walking advertisement for any brand. But still, I think it's nice to add a little accessory here or there and make a basic outfit look a little bit more interesting and sophisticated. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you liked this video by giving it a thumbs up or leave me a comment and tell me what you think about my newest additions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to not miss any videos. The next one will probably be about packing for Paris. I got 2 very nice new suitcases this week that I would like to show you. And if you're interested in that, ensure to follow along, and I hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!